Hi and welcome to Student Data Form Entering System developed using VBA. We can exit if we want, and we can also print. Okay, I'm going to print it straight onto my PDF, and let's save this file. I'm going to call it Student Record System 5. We can delete if we want. Let's assume we want to delete, look at Tony Montana right there, we can delete that. There, gone. Okay, we can also reset, and we can add all the information we have here straight onto our workbook. So let me show you guys the workbook. That is the workbook right there. As you notice, I deleted Tony Montana, so I'm going to reset, and let's enter data of another student. Let's call this student Tony JJ Montana. Address of JJ Montana, let's say number 47 Yorkway, and and we have the following there. And right there, guys, those are the details of Tony JJ Montana. So just to let you know, there's nothing here that says Tony JJ Montana. So what I'm going to do now is show records. If I click there, look at that, it's just gone straight onto the Excel workbook or worksheet, and we can add as many of that as we want. Look at that, you see that, guys?